Hey, what's up, guys? Million Billion Crypto here. I'm Marvin, and let's get into it. Give me a second here while I pull this up. What is going on? Bitcoin took a dive today. This is ahead of the FOMC meeting from Jerome Powell regarding the interest rate. I believe it hit around 64. No, I'm sorry, 66.4. Oh, that would have been a perfect opportunity to buy the dip. And let's go to the bubbles and see what's performing right now. I know we've got the time difference. Ondo Finance, Pepe, Bonk, Rose, Brett, Caspa, Ton. Um, yeah. If you guys are not familiar with this crypto bubbles, kind of new to me, but it's a good scope of or landscape of looking what's going on, and as far as the altcoins is concerned. Oh, that's my dog back there, by the way, if you can catch that. A lot of people like going to seeing this heat map, but I think the trend right now is the crypto bubbles. Very sexy on crypto bubbles. Okay, the fear and greed index, 72% greed. Yesterday was 74. Last week was obviously when it hit when Bitcoin hit around 71 plus. We're at 78% extreme greed. Now, I've been in this space for 6 to 7 years, and this market sentiment would just be over here, man. Oh, I didn't realize my camera wasn't on. Let's go to here. Okay, if you see my mouse right here, we would be fear, but then again, we would see 20 or 30% dips in the market, and that's a perfect golden opportunity to buy the dip. But I believe it or not, we will not see those again. And the reason why is institutional adoption. We've got the ETFs, Michael Saylor, Bitcoin Jesus, if you will. He proves a point. This is a store of value. And of course, I hold dear to that. And I believe that's where we're going right now with the dollar just deflating. So just wanted to share some thoughts with you. This right here, Fed Chair Powell. Okay, regardless of what this man says, whether it's good or bad, okay, and I wanted to bear with me here, push this over to you. Okay, there you go. Regardless of what he says, the crypto market pumps and dumps. And what you just need to do is a lot of people I hear a lot of people saying, "Oh, what's going on?" and asking, "What's going on with the market?" "Oh, Bitcoin, it's dumping, it's crashing." I mean, we're down we're down only 6%. When we back in the last cycle, we would drop down to 20%. And like I said, you won't see that again. But man, just hearing that today constantly, what's going on? I'm looking at my phone. I wake up and see that the portfolio isn't isn't doing as well. Is it? We in the crypto space, and a lot of analysts say that maybe we would have reached a new all-time high, or either 80K by the end of this week. I mean, yeah. Just look at this chart. Just look at this chart. Where we're going. I mean, you wouldn't bet against this. You wouldn't short this. We're in it for long run. Okay. And with that being said, I was approached today, and let me stop sharing this and just go to my camera. I was approached today with, like I said, by one of my friends, and I've known him, and he's aware that I invest more into crypto than the equities market, kind of like the crypto guy, if you will, with my circle of friends. So he asked me, "Hey, because I look at my phone all the time. Perfect time to buy, because I embrace it. I embrace the dips, regardless if it's 3, 4, 6, 8%. And I buy the dip, man." So he comes to me and he asks, "Hey, Marvin, if you had 1K, would you put it in right now? If I had 1K, and not 100K, I wish. Um, this is not financial advice, obviously. But you know, he's curious what my thoughts would be on it. And I believe this is where we're at right now. Okay. Let me share the screen here. 67. 67.3. And here's my watch list, if you can tell. See all this watch list right here. I may or may not be in these. But 1K. Okay, let's break it down. Let's go. I would personally, let's just get to it. $500 right now, Bitcoin. 50% of that 1K right now, Bitcoin. Then I would take another $300 of that of that 1K. Obviously, we have another 5K left. $300, I would buy ETH and Sol, split it between. So I'd buy pretty much one Sol and, a fraction of ETH. And the reason why, we've got ETH, if you look at the chart, we were on the cusp of 4K. Where are we at? Boom. And that's, the ETF has been released, but has it not been active? And when it does, oh, believe me, it will send ETH to the moon. And next up, we have Sol. Okay, so, and the reason why I say $300 in both is because those are their front runners. Well, ETH is already ready to. It's approved. ETF is approved. Sol, I believe, is next in line because of what's going on with the request from BlackRock. The application is supposedly being submitted next month, I believe. Yes. Sol, man, I believe that this is my and other guys in this space would argue or agree that it's potential to flip ETH, and it's because of these meme coins, man. Oh my goodness! Not just the fundamentals of Sol and its fast transaction speeds. I mean, back in the day, it used to go down hard, or not hard, but the network would go down. But it's solidifying. I think they have one more upgrade for that thing is going to be bulletproof. I mean, it is bulletproof right now because it's handling all these transactions with the memes. Okay, so there you go. There's $800 of that 1K spent, and then the rest we got $200 into. Let's just say, let's pump those into some large caps or some sexy ass projects like Chainlink. Is arguably, or people would say that it's a blue chip, and that would be probably next in line that I would consider to next ETF. Maybe we got AVAX, man. They're in the gaming. They're going in hard on that. Active, Celestia, Stacks. I mean, let me tell you about Stacks real quick. Obviously, you download this from whatever platform you're on, OS or Android. It's just another wallet, and you get up to 10%. It's 8% right now, though. It says 10% rewards for just hodling Xverse wallet. That's crazy, man. You get Bitcoin just by that. Would probably be in my bag too, which it is in my bag. Okay, Xverse. You got sexy ass projects like Celestia, Injective, Optimism, Arbitrum. Yeah, jump into that, and let's see the percent change in the last. Let's go here. Let's go to this tab right here. Boom. Cap, yo. Bear with me, folks. Boom. There it is. No block. I don't want that. Here we go. Okay. And let's scroll down here to our top one. Pretty much anything in around 100, I'd put $100 into the solid projects. Obviously, do your own research in these. But here we go. Bug making hella noise back there. Near protocol. Yeah. Uniswap, DEX for ETH. The heavy DEX for ETH right now. Need to jump on that. And then you pick and choose those $100 of that $200 left into these projects, and then you would put another $100 into these meme coins, man. Whether they be on base chain, whether they be on Solana or ETH. The reason why I say that is because these meme coins do not die. They pump, and then if you look at these crypto bubbles, the whole market's in red. But what's pumping right now? These meme coins. It's crazy. So I know it's a gambling. You might not be into it, but you got to spread your portfolio. And by golly, Bonk, Pepe, in regard or any chain, I think Avalanche has cock, COQ, because everybody needs a little cock in you. Yeah, just it's very inappropriate as a joke, but it as the meme and that community has mentioned and is go hard in that cock in you stuff. And that's what I would do. That's pretty much what I would lock myself into with that 1K. So you guys tell me what you think about it. But what I really wanted to tell you guys is, regardless of what the stock markets and Jerome Powell or the Fed rate or what it's put out there, and what's going on behind the scenes as far as it dipping, embrace it and move on, and continue to hold and for generational wealth. Want to learn more about it? Just hit me up. I'd like to share some more stuff with you guys in the near future. I'm sorry, a little busy. I've got stuff going on. Actually, my daughter's gonna be graduating junior high here pretty soon, so pretty excited about that. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Please like and subscribe to my channel.